What is DVK? DVK is a bitstream and software toolchain for the decoder IP design and compliance validation. It is a must-have tool for chip RTL design, target appliance integration, such as a smartphone, smart TV, set-top box, software stack verification before shipment to the customer. DVK contains DVK improves the efficiency of codec testing by doing it smarter and enhancing its execution speed. It offers instruments for reviewing and optimizing the syntax code coverage. Streams. It is a structured and compact set of bit streams that address maximum coverage and minimize decoder validation time during the design process. Random encoder. Based on reference random encoder. Decoder. Needed to grab syntax coverage. Analytic tools. The tools give a graphical representation of syntax coverages, speed up test cycles by reducing the streams and their number, compare the stream coverage.